Hey guys, welcome to Coupon 101. In this video, we're gonna go over how to start couponing. If you're feeling overwhelmed or confused or just like not sure where to start, don't worry, I've been there and I can help. So in this video, we're gonna start from the beginning and we'll cover everything that you need to know to make your first couponing trip a success. If you're new, my name is Tina and I've been a couponer since 2013 when my daughter Sophie was just born. At the time, my family was going through some financial hardship and I had this newborn, and so I got into couponing kind of as a way to help my family save because, diapers are really expensive. And what I didn't expect was that it made me feel empowered, it gave me a sense of control, and it was a lot of fun, and I got hooked. It was like my little hobby and something I look forward to. I'm going to walk you through the 5 steps to start couponing. Step number 1, understanding the goal. The goal is to buy items at a very low price. You do this by waiting when an item goes on sale and preferably using a coupon to get it to an even cheaper price, and then buying enough of that item until the next time it goes on sale and you can use coupons to get it for a low price again. This low price is known as a stock up price. So a stock up price is basically a price point where you buy multiple. In this buying pattern of buying low, waiting, and buying low again, you never have to pay full price for common household essentials like toilet paper, paper towel, laundry detergent, shampoo, and diapers, and a lot more. Step number 2, understanding the types of coupons. So there are 2 types of coupons. There are manufacturer coupons, or I call them MFQ for short, and there are store coupons, like Target coupons. Manufacturer coupon is issued by the brand, the product brand. So for example, Tide laundry detergent coupon is paid for by Tide/P&G, which is the parent company, and manufacturer coupon always will say manufacturer coupon at the top of the coupon. A store coupon, on the other hand, is issued by a store. So a retailer like Target, a Target coupon. And store coupons will similarly say the store name and coupon at the top, for example, Target coupon. A common question I get asked is, how do I stack coupons? So you can use one manufacturer coupon on one item, assuming that the coupon is on one item. Sometimes coupon can be on multiple items, in which case one coupon is for multiple items. So anyways, in the case where there is a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon on the same item, you can use both. This is called coupon stacking. So you are allowed to stack manufacturer coupons and store coupons together on the same item. You can actually stack manufacturer coupons, store sales, store rewards, reward dollars if there's any, and cashback offers, all on the same item. That's like the holy grail. It doesn't happen that often, but it does happen. Step number 3, getting coupons. So now you're probably wondering, where do I find coupons from? So there are 3 major forms of coupons. There are insert coupons that you get from the Sunday newspaper. There are printable coupons that you can print from a desktop computer or from your phone. And then there are mobile coupons, which are coupons that you access from just using your phone. So insert coupons, they look like this. You get them from the Sunday newspaper. This is the most common form of coupons used by extreme couponers. Now, there are deals, lots of deals to be had even without them, but with the insert coupons, you definitely get a lot more options for deals. So if you're serious, I highly recommend starting to collect them. There are 3 types of inserts. There are Smart Source, P&G, and Retail Me Not. The Retail Me Not insert doesn't come in all regions' Sunday papers because in some regions they come in the mail instead. So if you don't see Retail Me Not in your region, that's why. We refer to specific insert books by their name, but also by the date that it came out, and it's always a Sunday. And if you are not sure what the date is, you can find it on the spine. It's like a really small, tiny print, but you've got the date right there. You won't get all 3 inserts every single week. They actually come on a predetermined schedule. The P&G insert, for example, comes out on the first Sunday of every month. We actually post this schedule of what inserts are coming out each week on my blog. So look for that, or I can include a link in the description box. So you might see in a deal breakdown SS120, for example, that stands for that coupon came out from SmartSource January to 20th. And by the way, the little X stands for the expiration date. So in this case, the expiration date is February the 28th. The cheapest place to buy the Sunday paper is at the Dollar Tree. Most stores has it for $1. You want to make sure to open up the paper to make sure all the inserts are inside before you purchase the paper. The quickest and easiest way to start couponing is using printable coupons. So as long as you have a printer, you can get started, like right now. And it doesn't matter if it's color or black and white. And by the way, you can find the show notes as a little link in the description box on YouTube. If you're watching this from the app, it's below you, the text below you, and it's basically outlining all the resources from this video. And also check the description box on YouTube, because if there's any updates, I will include all the resources there in the show notes. If you're watching this from the YouTube app, look for the little down triangle in this corner. Click on it to expand to find the description box and the link for the show notes. Step number 4, find a deal. So you can find a deal on your own. You can look through a weekly ad and then looking at what's on sale and matching it up with coupons that you might have, and then using the two together. That's called a matchup, matching up a sale with a known coupon. Or if you don't want to do it on your own, you can also come over to my blog at freestufffinder.com or the mobile app. We actually post deal matchups every single day because we're like in the stores, like at Target, literally every single day. And if there's a specific store you're looking for, you can actually filter by store, click on store, and then the store that you want, and you can find all the different deals available for that store. Step number 5, go out and try. So now pick 1 or 2 deals that are easy and that you fully understand. And I highly recommend going to Target, because that's like a really good store to start in because it's easier than some of the other stores. CVS is also a good one if you don't have a Target. And remember, the goal at this stage is for you to build up your confidence, and you can only do that by going out to try. And if you're feeling nervous, that is totally normal. I was super nervous my first few trips. I still get nervous, but I got through it, and I know you can do it too. And I'm so excited for you guys to start saving money. You're gonna get hooked. Look for an upcoming video on my channel. I'm gonna go into my top 10 tips on how to make your first couponing trip a success.